Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Grace Kennedy today announced it has acquired a 33% stake in Grace Pepper Products through its GK Investment subsidiary. The acquisition price was not disclosed. However, Grace Kennedy says the acquisition of this stake in Grace Pepper will allow for the investment necessary to grow the business.
We fully support developing our homegrown products into creating value-added products in order to successfully compete on the world market. There is great demand for Grace hot sauces and jerk spice products globally, and this investment will build the capacity of Grace Pepper to further contribute to our supply chain.
Mr. Webby said the investment will further accelerate plans for research and development that will result in a more compelling and diverse product offering. Final data for tourist arrivals in 2017 showed Jamaica welcomed 4.3 million visitors, shattering the arrivals records by almost 500,000. More tourists spent more. Total earnings for the industry reached $3 billion. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett, who reported the figures, said a strong growth trend continued into 2018. He said so far, arrivals in the week of 2018, the first week of 2018, were up 6% as the United States battled with a harsh winter. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $124.79. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $99.09. Sterling cost $169.14, while the euro is going for $149.01. Express Catering said it made $544,000 in the 3-month period to the end of November. The profit was 14 times the outturn from the prior year. It came as the company, which provides catering services in the Sankst International Airport, sold $3 million worth of snacks and foods in the period. That's expected to be improved when the Starbucks coffee concept is fully opened in the near future. The JC Index dipped more than 2,124 points today, while the junior market index closed up more than 15 points. Stocks posting gains included AMG Packaging and Paper, Caribbean Cream, Grace Kennedy, Key Insurance, Panjam, Proven and T-Tech. On the losing end were 1834 Investments, Cargo Handlers, Carreras, Epley, Iron Rock, Jamaican Teas, Main Event Entertainment, Sagicor Group and Supreme Ventures. That's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.